Hello and welcome to the Weather Center. Our quiet weather pattern continues across South Africa. In fact, our latest satellite loop sums it up quite well. We have virtually no cloud cover from the west coast through the interior all the way to the east coast and the northern highveld. So we'll enjoy clear skies tonight, but you know that means cold weather from the Free State through Gauteng. We also have cool overnight lows predicted along the east coast. In fact, dropping to the single digits for Durban, which doesn't happen all that often thanks to its proximity to the warm ocean waters. So let's talk about your Friday, the early weekend. We still have more sunshine in store for the central parts. High pressure still in control of our weather. You can see how closely packed together our isobars are within the western and eastern Cape interior. That's a good indicator to the meteorologist that it will be breezy between Beaufort West and Gauteng. We have mild weather near Johannesburg. Temperatures warming up nicely by the afternoon for Durban and Richards Bay. And that is our next approaching cold front that will bring rainfall to Cape Town by Saturday. But in the meantime, on Friday, clouds just start to increase by late in the evening. 25 if you're located near Durban. Just a reminder, a cool start to your Friday, so plan accordingly heading to work. 25 for Pietermaritzburg after an overnight low of 3 degrees. Let's travel south across the east coast. Warming to 25 for East London. Blue skies overhead for the entire eastern Cape. Queenstown at 21, Port Elizabeth 24. Minimum temperature for you 7 degrees. Remember, we have an offshore wind predicted for this area. It could get rather breezy between Gauteng and Beaufort West. Heading towards Cape Town, a great Friday forecast. Temperatures nearing 23 after an overnight low of 8 degrees. Remember, increasing clouds by dinner time. Temperatures warm to the upper 20s for Alexander Bay, 23 degrees. Near Springbok, we're forecasting a temperature of 18 for Bloemfontein after an overnight low dropping well below freezing. 17 for Bethlehem, sunny skies for the eastern half of the Free State. And as we head north, you can see Vryburg, Mahikeng, Ventersdorp and Rustenburg has a very similar weather pattern, so rather quiet for South Africa to say the least. Fine and dry from the Limpopo Valley through the western Bushveld all the way to Polokwane, 21 degrees for you. Traveling south across the Mpumalanga province, 22 near Mbombela. Sunny conditions for Swaziland as well as the Highveld. Daytime highs across Gauteng, upper teens and lower 20s over the north. Look at that overnight low for Vereeniging. Here's your Metrovision for Pretoria, 21. Sunshine expected with a light southwesterly wind. Winds will pick up across the western interior this Friday, so do be aware of that. Offshore for the southern Cape. Otherwise, your extended outlook actually appears to be quite nice over the eastern two-thirds, but there's our rain and cooler weather for the southwestern Cape. Eventually, that chance of precipitation spreads to Port Elizabeth by Sunday. Well, that's all from me. Have a good one.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com